Do you often find your mind wandering? Are you feeling stress creeping in, making it difficult to concentrate on the task at hand? Well, you're not alone. A recent study found that the human mind wanders nearly half the time, leading to increased stress and decreased focus. In today's fast-paced world where we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions, stress has become a common occurrence. In fact, a staggering 80% of Americans reported experiencing stress at work, with 1/3 describing it as severe. These statistics are alarming, considering the detrimental impact of stress on both physical and mental health. However, the good news is that there are immediate stress relief strategies that are gaining popularity. A quick Google search for 10-minute stress relief shows an increase of over 200% in the United States alone. This clearly indicates that more and more people are seeking quick and effective ways to combat stress. What are these stress-busting methods, you ask? They are surprisingly simple yet powerful. The first one involves focusing on our breathing. This method is not only easy to practice anywhere and at any time, but also has immediate calming effects. The second recommended strategy is opting for gentle exercises like yoga. Regular practice of yoga can help reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. Thirdly, there's a technique called progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group in the body, promoting a sense of calm. Fourth, believe it or not, smiling can help banish stress. Smiling releases feel-good neurotransmitters, which can instantly uplift your mood. Lastly, visualizing a peaceful place can promote relaxation. This technique is often used in meditation and can help calm a wandering mind. Regularly employing these strategies can not only help alleviate stress in the moment, but also promote a peaceful and calm mind, which is a powerful mind. In conclusion, while stress has become a part of our daily lives, there are simple and effective ways to manage it. By focusing on our breathing, practicing gentle exercises like yoga, using progressive muscle relaxation, smiling more, and visualizing peaceful places, we can not only banish stress, but also enhance our focus and productivity. Remember, a peaceful and calm mind is a powerful mind,